Awesome, huh? Awesome. There you go. That was a little trailer I found of the band Gut Explosion. I discovered this band and fell instantly in love. Welcome to another video here on the Phantom of the Haunted Hill. I'm out here with my friends. We're still at Camp Crystal Lake. We haven't gotten killed yet. It's a miracle. Some other people have disappeared, but we don't care about them because we're Bigfoot hunting. Yeah, Johnny said he saw a skunk ape or a Sasquatch or something, so he wanted to come out here. So I said, hey, it could be the abominable snowman. Isn't it the same thing, Bigfoot? You know, you get a big, smelly, stinking, rotten foot. Anyway, back to the matter at hand. That band right there, Gut Explosion, excellent band from Japan. Don't know too much about them. Not can't didn't really. I didn't look on the Encyclopedia Metallum, which might have told me probably what I already know because there's nothing on the Bandcamp page except I'll let you know the song titles though. We got a where'd they go? Where'd they go? Why did I move this along? We have the Stomach Buster intro, Attack of the Adult Baby, Hard Gore, Gut Man, Shitty Day Night Fever, and Violence Cock. And this EP is their very first release. It was released September 17th, 2022. And check this band out if you're into grind. I know I haven't really done, I feel like I haven't done a musical video. So here's one for you right here. A great band recommendation, Gut Explosion. I can't do that voice. I want one of those devices so bad that you can do all those gore grind vocals like I love it. And they have such a great grind band. Anyway, this is the Phantom of Haunted Hill saying check out Gut Explosion. Give this video a like. Hit that subscribe button. We're coming up on 75 videos here. Close to it. This might be, I think this is 72 or 73. So maybe we should have a celebration for the 75th video. But we should have some more subscribers. Think we could hit 100 by the end of the month? All you got to do is hit subscribe and then walk away. And if you hit that bell, you get notifications when the Phantom makes new videos. I'm going back with my friends now. We're going to go hunt Bigfoot. Yeah, I brought a spear. Harold brought a pen. I mean, he says the pen is mightier than the sword. I said, we're battling Bigfoot here, man. You need a shotgun. Anybody got a gun here? And Jason and Mrs. Voorhees were in their camp. Nobody has a means of protection. What? Leon? Oh, you got an axe? Okay. Well, we'll chop up Bigfoot and we'll have Bigfoot sandwiches for breakfast tomorrow. All right. Let's go find that fucker. All right, folks. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you next time here on Phantom of Haunted Hill. Director, hello? Is anyone going to yell cut? Well, I'm not getting paid enough to sit here like this all day long just because the director fell asleep. Yeah. All right. We'll see you guys.